Making a chili meat sauce. I like to start my pot off on low once I put my ground beef in. Go ahead and mix that up. Now go ahead and crank that heat up a little. Mix that all in. Make sure you drain all that oil off. I'm adding some red bell peppers and onions. Now I'm using fresh garlic cloves. Use about 3 or 4 of them. Smash that all in there. Look at that. Look at that fresh garlic. Eat it right off the spoon. That's how good it is. Mix that all together. Use a little bit of that Worcestershire sauce. Get that all in there. I'm using a can of fire roasted tomatoes with some smoked paprika. Now you can make your own chili powder, but I prefer to use the one out of the bag. I can make my own now. Don't get it twisted. I can make my own, but we're using the one out the bag today. Mix that all in. Now I'm using some beer instead of water. You can use water. Trust me, you can use vegetable stock, beef stock, chicken stock. But I'm using beer. Thank you very much. Follow that up with about 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Get that all mixed in. I felt like it needed a little bit more beer, so I added some more beer. It won't taste like beer, trust me. It will not taste like beer. With a little bit of ground black pepper. Put that on the list. Need about some more black pepper. Put that lid on. Let it sit about 45-50 minutes on low. Stir it up a little. Give it a little mixy. Put that lid back on. No pick-a-booing. 15 more minutes later. Look at that. Stir it up. Stir it up. Nice. Tender. Tasty. Chili. You can use this on baked potatoes, hot dogs, whatever you choose to. Use it on. Subscribe, comment, like. Thank y'all for watching.